Welcome back. Now, I think we already have discussed how do you multiply algebraic expression using the distribution method. And this FOIL method is just really using the distribution method pero a little bit shorter, generally used for a binomial. Those expression with two terms only. For example, here we have uh, u plus v multiplied by a plus v, okay? No, a plus b din, a plus b. The FOIL method is simply a shortcut of, multiplying things. First is, ingani ang kono buhaton, di ba? I-distribute man mo ning u, paingon dana, di ba? This is so this stands for the first. Meaning first, ang meaning sa FOIL, ang F kay first, then, so you multiply the first terms, u and the a. These are first terms of the two expression, right? So you have ua or ua, ingana, di ba? Or au, depende na sa imuha. Ua. Then second will be the outer term. Outer. Man ang outer dire. So if nagtakpan na sila, kaning duha sila ang outright. So mo ni mong outer terms. This is the first. These are the outer terms. Out. Okay? 'Di ba? Outer na silang duha. So i-multiply nimo na silang duha. So that's what? U times B. Okay? Or B, U ba? Pareha lang na gihapon natong gimina na. Wala sa to gi-follow ang kwan para muna na to ang nasa left manggod. Next is i-multiply nimo ang I stands for inner. So ang mga inner terms i-multiply nimo. That's the next step. So inner FOIL man din no. So inner terms are what? Kaning nasa sulod sa kuano sa figure v ug a. So that's v times a. Then followed by i-multiply nimo ang L last term. So no, ang I kay inner sa FOIL, ang L kay last. Ang mga last na term. So V and B are the last term. So we have plus VB. Okay? Nakuha? So FOIL stands for the first term, i-multiply nimo U times A. This is the first term. Mo ni ang F. Mo ni ang outer. Mga outer nga term, U ug ang B. Mo na imuhang outer term. Mo na ang imuhang inner terms, V and A. Sulod man sa no inner, kani man mga outer. Bali, muna ang sulod sa figure, V ug ang A. Last term will be kana siya mga last ug kana siya last po di ana. So, this is the idea of FOIL. So, parang siya ga-distribute lang gihapon ka, pero diretso na bali. This is very good for a binomial. Okay? So, let's try to take a look back on the previous example using the distribution method, and let's try to approach it using the different, this method. Not really different, but no shorter version. I think a while ago we have put 4s minus 5t times 3s plus 4t. Then ang atong answer ani ganina kay kuano, based sa distribution method kay I think 12s squared plus st minus 20t squared. Okay? Ing ana bala ato ang kuan na answer nato ganina. Let's try to see kung makuha ba nato ni siya in just a few steps using this. Okay? Now, so first, itong buhaton kay, well, kani siya multiply by this is what? F, first terms. So 4 times 3s, 4s times 3s will be what? 12s squared. Second will be outer terms. Kani siya, o kani siya kay outer term. So that will be what? Plus 16 what? 16 st. Okay? Then inner term. Negative 5 times 3s, that's what? Negative 15 st. Then last term, minus negative 5t times 40. That's minus 20t squared. All in all, if we simplify, we'll have 12s squared, 12s squared plus st minus 20t squared. So we got the same answer to that of the one that we previously used using the katong approach kay ko ano kanang distribution lang gid mga approach. Okay? So let's have another example. Let's have this xn plus 1 times x plus 5. Okay? Yan lang. Simple. So first terms, multiply mo xn og x. So what is that? Xn times x. Pila mo ng xn times x? Well, kung maglibog ka, unsa mo na siya? Well, remember that xn times x, meaning nanay 1 da ng x, no? I-add lang nimo ang ilahang. N is a number. So, wala kang kabalo kung unsa pa, no? So, i-add lang nimo ang ilahang kuan, ilahang exponent. So, this will just be x to the n plus 1. Okay? Add lang nimo. So, xn plus 1. Next, FOIL man, no? Outer. xn og 5. So, that will be what? 5x to the n. Next, inner. 1 times x, that's x. Then, last will be last terms. So, it will be plus 5. So, more or less, you got the same. Yeah, this is your answer, no? Simplified na siya bali. Muna niya ang pinaka-simplest niyang form. So, sayon lang dai ba ang kanang mag-multiply ka? Wala di siya kanang medyo complicated, right? Okay, let's give another example for the last time. We'll have 3x squared minus 5y, okay, multiplied by 2x minus 7y squared. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, pwede to siya distribute, but I think we're using the FOIL method here, so we'll just have first terms. Well, we'll have 6x 6x cubed. Okay, then outer terms, 3x squared times negative 7y squared, that's what? Negative 21x squared y squared. Okay, next is negative 5y times 2x, that's inner, negative 10xy. Finally, we'll have plus 35y cubed. Okay, and now we simplify things, and I think this is the simplest already. Ano ba siyang pinaka-simplest? 6x cubed minus 21x squared y squared minus 10xy plus 35y cubed. If you want to check this, kung maubag ni siya, no? Well, you could just either take a look at it again, or you could do substitution. But I would suggest kung nakay-calculate, imo lang substitute og lain nga number kanang dagko-dagko para dili kay ka prone. The use of number 1 is delikado kay kung 1 man good, kung x squared og x cubed, di ka bantay nga different ba na sila kay 1 ra man gihapon na. So dali la siya buhaton. Ma-verify lang nimo na kanang mga errors sa kaning dani sa kaning mga letters ay kaning mga numeric kaning literal coefficient ay kaning numbers o mga constants. Kung nagkamali ka sa mga constant, dahil ka na ma-verify using that technique. So, I think that's it. Thank you.